I bought these screws right here to use in our RV. They match the color of all the other hardware inside of our RV, so let's check these things out and see how they're going to look. Now this is the pack that comes with 50 1/2, 50 3/4 inch, and 51 inch. And here they are. Now, just so you can get an idea of how big these bags are, in general, they're not really big bags, but the fact that there's 50 of them in there is because they're small. You know, it does have the amount of screws in there that you need. It's just when you open it up, if you order 150 screws, you might open this up and go, oh my goodness, that's not many screws. But it is the amount of screws you ordered. It's just they're not huge screws, so they're not going to take up a lot of space. And let me get them out of the packaging so you can see all three of them. So this is what you're looking at when it comes to size: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. So in a hand, you know, they're not huge, but they're nice screws. They are stainless steel. That's one of the key points on these. And I like the paint on them. Not only is it black and matches the RV, which is great, but it's got a good layer of paint on it. Doesn't look like something that's just going to scratch off when you put a screwdriver in there. These are Phillips head screws, as you can see here. So like in my RV, it's got the real wide Phillips that also has the square head in it. These are not like that. These are just the Phillips head type screws. They're not meant to be used with a square bit. But looks like exactly what I was expecting. Hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.